Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I will show you how to transfer XRP from crypto.com to your Binance. Now, first thing you need to do is open up your crypto.com app and then click on this accounts option from the bottom of your screen. On the screen, you have to click on crypto wallet, and from this list of cryptocurrencies, select Ripple or XRP. Then on this screen, you have to click on this transfer button, and from this pop-up window, you have to select withdraw, and another pop-up window will appear. From here, click on this external wallet option, and then on the screen you have to click on this option add wallet address. Then from this list of cryptocurrencies, select Ripple or XRP, and then you just have to select the network that you want to use, and in this second box you have to paste the wallet address from your Binance. Now open up your Binance app and then click on this deposit button from your home screen. Then in the search bar you have to search for XRP and then select the XRP from search results. Then you have to select the network that you want to use in your Binance for receiving the XRP. You have to select the same network that you have selected in your crypto.com. After that, you will be able to get your wallet address. So just click on this copy button right next to your wallet address. Then paste the wallet address in this area. And if they have provided any tag for your Binance wallet address, you also have to paste the tag in this second box. So if you have selected the Ripple network, they will also provide the XRP tag. So you have to just copy this XRP tag by clicking on this copy button and then pasting this tag in this area. If they haven't provided any tag, you can click on this no tag required for my wallet and then click on continue. But if they have provided any tag, you have to paste the tag in this area or your fund will be lost forever. Once you do that, this will show you this warning. Click on yes, I trust this address, and then your wallet address will be added here. Now what you need to do is click on this withdraw button right next to your wallet address, and then again click on confirm and withdraw, and you just have to enter the amount how much you want to transfer. Enter amount and then click on withdraw button, and lastly you have to confirm details such as your wallet address and the network is same in both of your crypto.com and your Binance app, and the amount you are transferring is correct. And once you do that, click on confirm, and once you do these steps, your XRP will be transferred from crypto.com to your Binance account. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.